Welcome back. Let's do practice number 2. This time we are going to create a rhythm a bit more focused on electronic music, but we are going to do it in the playlist. Okay, I have here this small selection of sounds. A kick, a clap, a snare, a cymbal, another cymbal, a third cymbal, and a percussion sound. Well, quite simple. And let's start with the tempo. We are going to set a tempo of 120. Let's listen. That's the tempo, and let's start placing the kick. We'll make a 2-bar rhythm, and I'll place the kick on every beat. Now let's add the clap on beats 2 and 4 of each bar. Now let's place the snare. We'll use it only to add variety at the end of each bar on step 4 of beat 4. Alright, let's place the next sound, cymbal 1. We'll place this on step 3 of each beat. Now let's use hat 2. We'll put this on every step. Hat 3. We'll place it every 2 beats in the middle of each beat. The percussion will place on the first beat on steps 2, 3, 4. On the second beat on step 3, and repeat. And there you go, as easy as that, we already have some rhythms. Here, the important thing is that you learn to recognize the underlying patterns in each sound. Everything is created by leaving spaces in steps and making our sounds play in other positions following a logic. Because if we just placed all the sounds randomly, it will be difficult to have a danceable or interesting rhythm. Another interesting thing you can do is to create a rhythm first with a single instrument and then distribute it among several instruments. For example, the rhythmic structure of the percussion where the 3 steps appear together, I can take the one in the middle, delete it, and make another sound take its place. It's the same rhythmic structure, but let's say I'm splitting it into 2 sounds. Applying that technique, we can start with the basic rhythms and gradually transform them into more complex ones. Again, I'm going to give you homework. The homework is very simple. Experiment with your own structures and apply them to one sound. Then distribute them among several sounds. That way, you'll start to recognize rhythmic patterns easily. In the meantime, see you in the next lesson.